Prescription drugs that may affect COVID-19 vaccine efficacy. Study says. Many drugs can be purchased without a prescription to counter common ailments like headaches, diarrhea, and fever. However, some people take prescription medicines due to chronic illnesses, such as hypertension and diabetes. At Michigan Medicine, researchers analyzed a type of medication taken by commercially insured U.S. adults. Their study, published on JAMA Network, examined how many were prescribed in a specific period. Not only the medication could induce side effects, but could also impact COVID-19 vaccines. According to Healthline, this medication may potentially reduce the efficacy of different vaccines. When taken, the drug hinders the ability of the immune system to fight off infections. Vaccines work by teaching your immune system to recognize a specific threat so that it can respond appropriately if it ever sees the threat again, said study's lead author Dr. Beth Wallace. The medication type in question is immunosuppressant. These drugs are necessary to treat autoimmunity and prevent the rejection of transplanted organs. But since immunosuppressants lower immune performance, the body is at a higher risk of infection. The body also has a decreased level of immune response needed for vaccines. Thus, people under immunosuppressants are expected to respond slower or weaker to COVID-19 vaccines. One common form of immunosuppressants is steroids like prednisone and dexamethasone. Fortunately, there is a possible workaround to facilitate vaccination of patients receiving such treatment. Dr. Wallace suggested either pausing the medication or delaying the IV infusion. The pause or delay is possible at the time patients will get their dose to give the immune system the time to mount a response. For hospital epidemiologist Dr. Megan Baker, the flexible timing is the recommendation of finishing the vaccine series at least 2 weeks before starting immunosuppressants. If this does not apply to you, you must speak with your doctor to get an informed decision about the risks and benefits of delaying the treatment. But should patients treated with immunosuppressants be vaccinated? Dr. Baker said that in general, they can and should be vaccinated. Just because their immune system to the vaccine is not the same as most people, it does not mean they cannot get a certain degree of protection. What these patients must keep in mind is maintaining preventive measures even after completing the vaccine series.